How to download LifeAfter game on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download LifeAfter game on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you will need to open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, head over to the search bar on the bottom right corner, tap on it and simply search for LifeAfter. After you search for LifeAfter, it will open up. Now right here, you will need to tap on the install button. After you tap on the install button, your game should start installing. And right here, it says that this is a game where you can simply role play and you can live a life. You can go and play with other players. So it's a really cool game. You can easily get this and install it and start playing. You can watch the videos and you can see the screenshots of the game. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you download LifeAfter game on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.